Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at one of the most common things you will do in Laravel, and that is creating a controller. And trust me, it's super simple. First, what exactly is a controller? Controller is basically a class that organizes your application's logic. When a user visits a route like /users, a controller decides what to do, what data to return, and which view to show. Think of it as the brain handling requests and responses. Creating a control is super easy with Laravel. Just open your terminal and run PHP artisan make controller user controller, and boom, Laravel creates a file inside app/http/controllers. This file is where you will write all the methods that handle your page logic. Inside your new controller, you can add methods like public function index, then whatever you actually want to return, you can return it. Now to connect this method in a route, what you have to do, go to the route, web.php, and here you have to write route : get, that the URL, and that is /users, then comma, then let's say the controller name is user controller, then : class, comma, the method name, and that is index. That's it. Super simple. Run one command, add your methods, link them with a route, and boom, your controller is ready.